Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will share 5 food items that I have almost stopped buying. Why almost? Because now I prepare them routinely at home and occasions when I have to buy them are getting limited. However, please bear in mind that the recipes shown here are based on my personal experience with cooking in the last couple of years. Today's video is made in collaboration with Borosil. Now let's get started. We as a family love having idlis and dosas for breakfast. For the last 2 years, I have been making dosa idli batter at home using a wet grinder. Wet grinder may not be commonly available at all homes, but a regular mixer grinder is definitely present. Today I will show you how to make good batter in a mixer grinder. In a big bowl, take 1 katori or cup of whole white urad dal, 2 cup dosa rice, 1 cup poha and 2 spoon chana dal. Wash it thoroughly 2-3 times. Add half teaspoon methi seeds. Now add water to soak it completely. Soak it for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. It is soaked nicely. Now let's make the batter. Today I am using Borosil Fortuner mixer grinder to make the batter. Take the grinding jar and add soaked dal and rice mix in it. Add a couple of ice cubes in it, which will prevent batter from getting heated due to fast grinding and high wattage. Take a big bowl or container and pour the batter in it. Make sure the container is only half filled as we need space for batter to rise. Close the lid and leave the batter to rise for 7 to 8 hours. Batter is fermented and ready to use. If planning to store the batter in the fridge for a few days, do not add salt in it. Take out only the required quantity and then add salt for taste. This batter can stay in the fridge for 5 days. Now make yummy dosas, idlis, uttapams and paddus with the same batter. Tasty and healthy. Podi or chutney powder is an accompaniment which goes well with dosa, idli, dal rice, etc. For this, take a pan and heat it up. Add half cup sesame seeds and dry roast it. Keep it aside. Now dry roast 2 tablespoons of dry coconut powder. Leave it aside. Now add a little bit of oil and into this add half cup chana dal and 1 cup white urad dal. Roast it nicely and keep it aside. Fry some garlic and add in the mixture. By using the same pan, roast 5-6 dry red chilies, 10-15 curry leaves and a little bit of tamarind. Mix it and after cooling down, add everything in the small grinding jar. Add a little bit of hing and salt to taste. Grind it and podi is ready. Transfer the content in the airtight container. You can keep it outside for a month. Just add melted ghee in it and enjoy it with idli, dosa or uttapam. Or make some fried podi idlis for snacks. If you have a good quality mixer grinder, then everything is so easy to make. My 8 years old mixer grinder has given up on me and was not running properly. So now I have a new kitchen companion, Borosil Fortuner mixer grinder and juicer. It is 1000 watts, a very powerful and stylish mixer grinder. The 22,000 RPM operation, 3-speed options and pulse function help you to easily grind wet or dry ingredients and blend food to the consistency you prefer. It comes with 4 jars, 3 stainless steel jars, chutney, grinding and blending, and 1 juicer jar with fruit filter, making it a great option for all your kitchen needs. The jar lids contain rubber rings to prevent leakage and lid locks for hand-free operation. It comes with an overload protector for motor safety and 2 years warranty. So if you are looking for a powerful and versatile mixer grinder, then do check out Borosil Fortuner mixer grinder and juicer. The link is given in the description box. My son loves paneer and it is very easy to make. Here I have taken 1 liter milk in a pan and boiled it. When it came to boil, I added 1 lemon juice and switched off the gas, just giving it a light stir. You can see the milk has begun to curdle and solids separating from whey. Now leaving it for 2 minutes so that it transforms into big curdled solids. Now you can either take a muslin cloth or paneer maker. I am using this steel paneer maker. Pour the content and chhena will be separated from whey. Now place the lid and press it nicely to remove all the water. Make sure the whey is separated from solid. Now keep something heavy on the top to get it into shape. After 2-3 hours, remove the weight and your paneer is ready. It will be soft, so keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to make it firm. And now you can make delicious paneer recipes using homemade paneer. Adding ghee in chapati and dal is very healthy, and if it is homemade, then to kya baat hai. It is very easy to make. Just collect all the cream or malai in the container every day and refrigerate. Once the container is full or malai is collected for 10 days, take it out and add 2 spoons of curd in it and leave it on the countertop. Now take the blending jar and add malai in it. Pour half cup water and a few ice cubes and blend. After some time, the butter will be separated and start floating on the top. With the light hand, start collecting all the floating butter and make balls. Take chilled water in a big bowl and dip the butter in it. Wash it thoroughly and remove all the water from it and keep it aside. Keep it in the airtight container to enjoy this butter with parathas and toast. But if you want to make ghee out of this, then take a heavy bottom kadai and add butter to it. Place the pan on the gas on medium heat. The butter will begin to melt. Keep stirring in intervals. When all the butter has melted, reduce heat to the medium to lowest setting and simmer gently. Milk solids will start appearing soon and the content will become frothy. Keep stirring in intervals. After some time, the milk solids will begin to settle at the base and top surface will start to look clearer. Once the solids are settled and bubbling has stopped, switch off the gas. Ghee is ready. When it is warm, transfer the ghee in the container using a strainer. Now use it as required. The taste and smell will be so different than the store-bought ghee. It tastes heavenly. We love tomato thoku pickle and it is very easy to make. First, let's make the pickle masala for this. In a pan, roast 2 tablespoons mustard seeds and keep it aside. Then in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander seed, half tablespoon saunf and dry roast them. Now add 1 tablespoon methi seeds and roast. Mix everything and grind it to fine powder. To make pickle, take fresh red tomatoes, wash and dry them. Cut them into small pieces and put it into the blending jar with the small pieces of tamarind. Blend and make a fine paste. Now in a kadhai, take some gingerly oil and add mustard seeds and dry red chilies in it. Once mustard seeds start crackling, add tomato puree and salt to taste. Cover the lid. Let the mixture boil for 15-20 minutes on a medium flame. Keep sauteing the mixture to avoid it burning from the bottom. Now when it is half cooked, add a little jaggery in it. Once the oil streaks out and tomatoes look cooked, add roasted masala in it. You may also add some red chili powder if you like it to be spicy. Once it gets thick, switch off the flame. Let it cool and then store it in the airtight container. Keep it in the refrigerator and you can use it for 1 to 2 months. Enjoy it with dosas or meals. And that was all about this video. Little changes make a big difference in life. Homemade items definitely save a lot of money and add health benefits. And the best part is you can choose your ingredients as per your taste, lifestyle and family diet. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.